Welcome to Shine with Toro.
We're learning together one small step at a time. It's so nice outside today. There's a mail! Yay! I am so excited. It's my favorite thing to do in the morning. I am sure there are a lot of surprises in those envelopes. Are you excited as I am? I know you are.
Assalamu alaikum, Tara. My name is Mazin. I'm going to Hajj soon with my parents. What are the steps for Hajj? Can you help me?
He's really going to Hajj? I wonder what it feels like to be there.
Good question, Mazin. I actually don't know all the steps either.
Let's find out. I'll help too.
Hajj has steps. Want to go through them one by one?
Yay!
Oh! First, before you even enter Mecca, you make a promise to Allah that you're here only for Him.
Everyone wears the same clothes?
You change into simple white clothes. This is called Ihram. Next, you go to the Kaaba and walk around it 7 times. This is called Tawaf.
Everyone walk in the same direction?
It's like one huge group all together.
After that, you walk between the 2 hills, Safa and Marwa, 7 times. This is called Sa'i.
Why those 2 hills?
It's to remember a mother who was alone with her baby, with no water. She kept running between Safa and Marwa hills, asking Allah for help, and He answered her.
Oh, wow! She didn't give up?
She trusted Allah, and Allah listened to her. Now this is a big one. Everyone goes to a plain called Arafah and just stand there.
Everyone is just talking to Allah?
Does He hear all of them at the same time?
Every single one, every word, even what's in their heart.
That's a lot.
After Arafah, they travel to a place called Muzdalifah and sleep outside under the open sky.
No roof? Just stars?
That sounds peaceful, actually.
The next step is throwing small pebbles at the 3 pillars in a place called Mina. This is called Rami.
Why throw pebbles?
It means they use the pebbles to throw out bad thoughts from their hearts?
Like saying no to something bad.
Exactly. Last step. They go back to the Kaaba and do Tawaf one more time. Hajj is done.
That's it?
That's it. And after all of those steps, people feel really different.
So Hajj isn't just going to a place. It's actually doing things, step by step. And each step means something.
And it all connects back to Allah.
Dear Mazin, Hajj has 7 steps. Ihram, Tawaf, Sa'i, Arafah, Muzdalifah, Rami, and back to the Kaaba. Each step is a way of getting closer to Allah. You're going to do something really special.
Tell him we're cheering for him.
Make lots of dua.
Allah will be with him every step.
Ya Allah, I want to go there one day too.
Do you want to go to Hajj one day too? Tap subscribe and come shine with me.